I've been working in preschools for over 20 years. And what I notice in life is there's things that teachers say to kids that don't benefit the kids and they don't make sense. No, thank you. Anybody say that to their kids? No, thank you. No, thank you, Joey. And the kid's looking at you like, no, you're welcome. I don't know how to play this game. Like, what does that mean? No, thank you. No, like, does he learn anything about what he did wrong? What if you're driving and all of a sudden you get pulled over? Cop knocks on your window, license and registration. No, thank you. And then just goes and did you learn what you did wrong? No, you put the beer down fast enough, hopefully you didn't see it. Root beer, of course, I don't know what you're thinking. And then he comes back and he gives you 2 tickets and he goes, no, thank you. Did you learn anything? No. So why do we do it? Why do we say things that don't benefit the other human being, that don't even give the other human being information? Are you making good choices today? Joey, are you making good choices today? Kid's like, I made 38 choices in the last half hour. Can you be a little more specific? Do they learn what choices are good and what choices aren't? No. Consider we say things to kids, but it has nothing to do with the kids. It's just about us.